yeah.
Just gonna school risky gara. Measuring engine oil level.
YouTube, how you doing? It's Sean B. Spolin. What we on today? Today, we are gonna be putting parts back on my car. Little S2K right there. Shit was clean. Stopping by real quick to get some smoothies for me and Mark. I'm gonna go inside. Just got me and Mark some drinks and some egg rolls. Gonna be on the way now. See y'all there. Just arrived at Mark's pad. Yo, good afternoon, sir. What you doing? Doing the oil change right now. Look, bro, E90 times 3.
Bro got into Adidas loafers.
Stop playing though. He got casually Travis Scott's in the trunk with the fucking turbo kit, bruh. Waiting to be slapped on.
Should look you dirty, no cap.
Homie Brian pulled up with Boost Boo FK8. Him coming.
No, what up?
Damn, I missed my Tome, bro. Man, that shit gleaming.
I was playing basketball in these, bro, and then some guy was like, "Damn, Sean, you finna make me act up."
What the fuck?
Hold on, here, show the shorts.
Hey, nah, bro, it's the Filipino. Gotta support the Filipino brand.
Be like this first. Wait, are those lace, bro?
Nah, bro, it's short.
You about to make me act up, bro.
Cold start. It's like, nah, not a cold start. Bro, this shit. And 54. Uy, gusto mo ng
Alright, which one you want,
lumpia?
bro? Which one you want?
Damn. Lumpia?
It's about the same size.
That's 2019 and yeah.
So from 1 year.
Yes, sir. It's like what, 75 bucks?
It's like 100 something.
Alright, y'all. Here's what we're doing today. I'm gonna replace the old filter with the new filter. Throw on the pure intake and flash the tune on my car. So yeah, for the most part, it's all what, 10 mils, and then the 732 sockets. Yeah, straight to it.
Straight.
Yeah, there you go.
Duh.
So I'm deassembling the PRL intake to put the new filter on, and they're trying to get the stock airbox out. Keep y'all updated. Little update, got the new filter on in the box. Got this piece on.
Still vaping.
Putting the HVI intake back in. There you go. You see the little clamp right there, but should be fine. Two big bolts.
Boom. Look at that. Brand new filter.
Yes, sir. Not this dusty ass.
Show them the old one. Show them the old one.
It's not even red no more, bruh.
Look at that. What the fuck is this?
What the fuck is this?
I never get to hear it like. Let's go! We're finally here to blow off valve again.
Just gotta go for a
Andata next.
go for a test ride.
I'm just gonna make sure that. No, we're gonna turn off the glow.
What are we doing next? Hondata?
Yes, sir.
Watch out, guys. It's a fucking Civic with a laptop.
Yep.
Areisha. Oh.
Well, you guys gonna put some things there?
As you can see, it is blinking. Plugged in my Hondata to my OBD2, so now I just gotta clean these up with zip ties later on.
What the fuck?
So
How many ECUs are there?
Well,
Imagine you can.
this is, I think, this is all my old ones.
Oh, imagine you flash like dust and shit.
Nah, bro.
1,000 wheels.
So it'll be 91 octane.
E30 pop. E30 pop.
HVI intake. Disable ref hang. It's already at 7,000 RPM limiter. No
That's what I
anti-lag,
want.
no full throttle
My shit
shift.
breaking at like 6.5. I'm like, fuck. It won't let me redline.
Oh, it just stops it?
Yeah.
That's so dumb.
Throttle,
Remember when I was trying to race, bro? I was trying to redline that bitch.
full power
And it would
first
just, like,
and
It would cut
second.
power. Like, oh, fuck.
You have anti-lag?
Yeah, nah, I'm not putting that shit on, bro. Fuck that.
Bro, that's how my car sounded on Sunday.
Oh,
If you would have heard it, you were like, do you have anti-lag?
Ooh, that one increased turbo.
What's going on, Sean?
So it says that the OBD Scooby-Dooby-Doo OBD2 is not plugged in. Neither is our ECU, and it says it's unlocked, but we never unlocked it from this car. We just set back the factory settings. So we're just trying to figure out right now, trying to update this shit. Alright, y'all, quick update like an hour fucking later though, but We were having technical difficulties, and we just needed the latest software version. That's all we needed. But now our shit reads.
And it's locked.
And it's locked, so
We should be straight.
I hear that shit.
Misfiring. It's probably just, it does that. It does that.
Got the car that's
It's misfiring.
got the car to turn back on. Hondana's all plugged in. Car is misfiring though, but we're gonna let it run for
Just a little bit and see.
all right, y'all. I'm gonna go on a test drive.
Alright.
Hopefully everything is straight, nothing fucks up.
The A1 steak sauce. Cap.
Mark C90.
That's right. Dude,
Alright, I'm just
Marine.
yeah, it looks like it. I'm just gonna drive normally in sport and just see if this thing should probably go this way. System's initializing still. The fuck happened to my fucking infotainment system?
Oh wait. Push down the whole power button. Oh, okay.
There it is.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, brother. I missed you, man. Let's go. That shit
That was
disappeared. All right, we good. We good to give it some beans. Damn, my average fuel economy set too. Gotta drive like a grandma again. All right. Give it to, put in R+, turn off traction control. Wait, where's the street that we usually do pulls on?
Left.
This one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mexico.
Being stock is not it. Friends don't let friends drive stock. Test out these tires too. Oh, it's back. It's back. Dude, that is such a big difference, bro.
Way different.
Oh my gosh, let's fucking go.
Bottle's way different. Gonna do a pull with the intake on the Honda. Don't pull a Vic. Coming right now. Oh yeah. Yes. Hey, you want to launch it right here or what? Huh? You want to launch it right here or what?
Want me to?
Go ahead.
All right, y'all. Just wrap up things at Mark's place. I haven't done the outro, so this is gonna be my outro. I just want to give a huge shout out to the homie Mark and Brian and obviously Danny. Every time I fucking FaceTime you, bro, you always pick up, so that does not go unappreciated, bro. Thank you for everything. But yeah, we got intake and Honda back on. I'm so hyped, bro. Like, you can hear it now. Oh my god. But yeah, I'll catch y'all guys in the next one. Sean be spooling out.
It's kinda hard to leave the streets alone. And if I make it, then we made it, I can't get along. And I keep stretching, said this shit ain't close to being home. It's for my family, if you ask, you know I do this for.